In today's equity index futures markets, let's take a look at the S&P 500 futures as they're moving to new all-time highs once again today. S&P 500 futures trading higher now for a sixth consecutive session. Today, we're looking at the futures market up almost 0.5% here as we move towards the close at the 62.52 level, which is just off the intraday highs and maintaining this upward momentum once again today. Driving factors, a couple things influencing the market today. Number one, end of the quarter momentum. It felt like there was momentum leading into the last couple of trading days of the quarter. Continued today. We saw a little hesitation early, but then again, the momentum continued to move into the market as we move through the afternoon, and that has been a theme here, and that once again was a theme once again today. So it feels like that end of the quarter momentum continued to work its way into the equity markets. Couple that with earnings expectations now shifting more positive. We did have a couple of earnings over the last couple of days, and with those earnings, they're coming in better than expected. Some of the guidance that's been delivered has been better than expected. So I think that's another factor as we close out Q2 and move into Q3 as to why we're seeing the higher price action. So those are a couple of bigger factors, I think, as well as just the economic data overall has been pretty positive for the most part as well. Now, looking at the general trends, as I mentioned, new all-time highs once again today for the S&P as well as the NASDAQ. Now, the Russell and the Dow were higher on the session, but they continue to lag relative to the S&P and the NASDAQ. But nonetheless, we did see all the major equity index futures markets higher on the session today. As I mentioned, we did see a building of momentum as we moved into the afternoon. That has been a theme, and when you look at the S&P 500 futures, continuing to maintain upward price action higher for 6 consecutive sessions and closing at an all-time high as we end Q2.